Hi, Akshat here, and in the next few minutes, please listen to me carefully. So would you like to tap into red hot $194 billion industry right now and create a monthly recursion passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various to do-it-yourself technique? If that caught your interest, then I have great news for you today. Presenting GameJam, the world's first AI-based 100% DFY gaming affiliate site builder to get unlimited targeted traffic, affiliate sales, and leads. With GameJam, you can start your own gaming site or gaming agency in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in and select any 30 inbuilt game or add your own. Step 2. Enter your payment detail like PayPal, Stripe, Wire, or anything. Step 3. AI will automatically generate awesome, good-looking, fully automated affiliate gaming website for you. It comes with a commercial and agency license, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike or Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business, and of course that will positively affect your life in the long run. And today, if anything you want is one of which is making money online, or your intention is to know how to make money online, here on my channel I definitely review and promote products that will help you do exactly that. And today I have another amazing software product called GameJam. This one is going to actually help you begin to make money online as early as today. And now this is a product that is going live on the 26th of May 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's being launched by the super affiliates Akshat Gupta, my friend, and of course Jaideep, his partner. And this one, in a nutshell, is a software that is going to help you create. In fact, it is #1 world's first AI based software that is going to help you create websites, gaming websites, where you can affiliate gaming websites, where you can create sites that will be indulged in gaming, just like you have in Twitch and other platforms where gamers make their games. And of course, this will attract a massive amount of traffic to you, because gamers are in their millions, hundreds of millions all over the world, and this very software will help you create instant affiliate websites that will help you in the gaming industry. And this means you will be driving traffic to such a site, and definitely that translates to making money online, because without traffic there is no making money online. So if as such this is a product you're going to require, I will definitely encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing bonus page, which is this. And when you come to this bonus page, you'll be able to grab this product using this link above, and of course any of these yellow links scattered over my page. And if you stick with me like I showed you before, you'll be able to have access to this sales page, of course my bonus page, and the software itself, so that you see exactly how this one is structured. And with that said, let us actually go and read more about what this product is all about. The creator, Akshat Gupta, said that here you get instant access to the world's first AI-based 100% done for you gaming affiliate site builder to get unlimited targeted traffic, affiliate sales, and leads, and of course use and sell unlimited gaming sites to your clients with unlimited commercial license. And this has to do with selling this on the freelancer marketplaces like Fiverr, Freelancer, and of course the Upwork and the rest of the marketplaces where you can render or get services on this thing. Imagine creating affiliate sites in the gaming industry, which you can sell to your clients for their use and of course for their commercial purposes. And the beautiful thing is that it has also a commercial license on the front end of this product. So it's a crazy one that will give you what I call business in a box. So it's highly recommended for you. Now, with that said, we have gone through whatever and all the things it does. It can build unlimited fully automated gaming affiliate sites, tap into red hot $196 billion gaming industry right now, loaded with 100 plus games to sell right away, and free domain, blazing, fast hot included, and an inbuilt SEO and ads and placement features, 100% AI based and cloud based, which means you don't have to install anything, pay once and get profit forever without any restrictions. And it has a commercial license and no limitations, completely free, no special skills or experience required, and $200 refund if it doesn't work for you. This is how sure the creators and the vendors of this product are, and I have no reason to doubt them. Now, this is the pricing for this one. The front end goes for $17, and of course you have access to the powerful training model of this one and the dashboard area, which is this, and then of course the upgrade number 1, which is the Game Pro plus reseller and commercial license, goes for $7, which means it's highly recommendable that if you get this very upsell front end of $17, you can always get this $37 pro version of this very GameJam, because that will complement or make up for any limitations. And here you have the OTO number 2, which is the agency. It goes for $47, which means you have the agency rights to this very product and you can sell it across the board. Now, OTO number 3 will be GameJam Gold, which goes for $7 one time. All these things are one-time payments, no funnel, behind the scenes funnels and all that. So now you have the Platinum GameJam Platinum OTO number 4 goes for $27 one-time payment, and you have GameJam OTO number 5, which is called the Mega Bundle, goes for $197 one-time payment. So, and here are the amazing benefits that I have already read to you, which you can have access to when you get here. And it has 30-day money back guarantee in case you want to return this for any reason or without any reason. At the end of 1 month, you'll be able to do so. Now you have the bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 will be how to make money with a secret weapon, a secret method that will teach you how to make money from scratch online in case you're a newbie or you are a beginner. That will help you. And here you have the second bonus for me, how to get traffic to any link of your choice. How to get traffic in this case to this website's gaming site's affiliate site that is going to be created for you. Imagine having this affiliate link and on this website on the gaming industry like Fortnite and the rest of them, which you can have access on Twitch. You will be able to use this very hack to actually drive traffic to the website we are talking about, and that gets you the clicks where the affiliate links are embedded to make you money. Now, my bonus number 3 will be how to convert your traffic fast. One thing, like I always say, is to get traffic in quantum, and the next thing should be how to convert the traffic. Okay, what is the need of making money online if you cannot convert the traffic that you receive? So that's a very important hack for anyone looking to make money online. Now, my bonus number 4 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, automated system of making money online, so that when you are sleeping, you are making money. Because Warren Buffett said, if you live this life in this third-dimensional existence without knowing how to make money while you are sleeping, then definitely you will do 90 jobs the rest of your life. And I mean, that is true. So in any case, my bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses for this product, and you will be able to have access to them when eventually you fall into this place. And when you eventually get here using the link on my description area, you will be able to buy this product. When you do click this link, they will take you to the sales page where you can check out using any of these similar links. When you do, under your purchase history on my Water Plus account, you'll find a page that looks like this, with this button green gives you access to GameJam, and here blue one gives you access to my amazing bonuses. And of course, if you have any issues, this is my website, you can visit it, and of course, if you have any issues, you can use this very email address to get in touch with me, and that will take care of your problems. Okay, now with that said, we can quickly go through the members area, the software itself, and see how this one is set up. GameJam, this is the dashboard area. As you can see, total member, total comments, because it's for demonstration purposes, nothing has been done on this one. Here you have the games, categories, the keywords in case you want to search for a particular kind of game, so you can be able to do that with this keyword search, pages, users, comments, medias, tools, tutorials, and app settings. This tutorials is very important because that will teach you how to get this started. It's normally very simple, copy and paste arrangements. Okay, so you have absolutely nothing to worry. But before I go on this one, let me just attach the demo video of this software in action so that you see exactly how it works, and when you are able to gain access to this, you'll be able to replicate this without any issues. And once that demo video demonstration of this product in action is over, we will wrap up with the sales page. I'll be back in a short while. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based product, info products, and anything that will help you make money online. And today we are now at this point reviewing the sales page where you can have access to at your convenience. And of course, let us try to locate the very sales page, and then of course the vendor bonuses that I talked about. Tap into $196 billion gaming industry right away. And these are all the things you are going to read at your convenience. And here are the amazing testimonials in case you need any testimonials to make up your mind. And here are the income streams carried out by the creators of this one. Here are the creators, Deep, Bishnoi, and Akshat Gupta. And these are amazing vendors and creators. And of course, you'll be able to have access to all of these. These are some of the games you will be able to produce with this very one and sell to clients at your own price with the commercial license included. And now let us see the very bonuses from the vendor. Bonus number 1, Log Jam, and bonus number 2 will be Designer Jam. Bonus number 3 will be 100 plus marketing emails, and bonus number 5 will be unlimited agency license. 5 bonuses from the vendor, 4 from me, and then of course you will be able to make up your mind with these 9 bonuses, 4 from me, 5 from the vendor, and then of course you have access to this one. If you are new to my channel, this is where we are going to end this. I will recommend and encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share if possible, and of course use the bell button for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike, the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as usual from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye guys.